Today we're here at Thorpark Genk in Belgium to inaugurate the solar facade at Soltex factory. This new building hosts a PV production facility which is state-of-the-art. And what better way of showing the potential of BIPV than having solar panels integrated into the facade of this factory? At this building, there are solar panels integrated into roofs, canopies, balustrades, awnings, and altogether these solar panels make the building generate more energy than it consumes. This means that the production of the solar panels in this factory will be CO2 neutral. This design solar facade tells a story. It tells us about the heritage and evolution of this area, because this used to be a mining area and is now transformed into a hotspot of sustainable industry. Soltex's motto is that anything can be turned into a solar panel, and in this case, even a story. And this was possible thanks to our Color Blast Design PV technology. For this project, we use our own design translation software, which gives architects a realistic preview of the final result and allows us to safely and accurately translate the image onto solar panels. Today, the Flemish Minister of Economy came here to place the last panels onto the facade. This project demonstrates once more that a building can make a beautiful design statement and be sustainable at the same time. This is the art of solar.